Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default view on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana and you want to go ahead and change how Asana actually looks when you click into My Tasks or Reporting or Inbox. How do you actually go ahead and change the default view on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Then on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon. Next, click on Settings. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and click on Display. Once you click on Display, you could actually go ahead and change the theme and the sidebar and top bar color. So if we change the theme, it can go to dark theme or light theme. With light theme, you could actually go ahead and edit the top bar or sidebar color as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the default view of Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.